guys, it's Lauren. Welcome to my channel. We're jumping right on in with my Smith's Minted Rose Lip Balm. It's always super important to me to apply some sort of lip balm before I get started, and this one has been my favorite for a while. And then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Original Eyeshadow Primer. It's my OG, been using it forever. It's the best. And then we're using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, the whole tutorial. And lately I've been going in with a light matte shade, and in this case the shade Tempera out of that palette, and then just taking Warm Taupe into my crease to be my transition shade. Then we are going in with the shade Vermeer all over my lid. This is just the shimmery all over the lid color. Blend that out, very important to blend. And then taking Buon Fresco, don't know if I'm even pronouncing that right. I'm just taking that into the outer portion of my crease just to add like a light pink springy color to the whole look that will tie it together. And then mixing Venetian Red and Warm Taupe, I am putting that on the very outside of my crease and kind of working it onto the outer portion of the eyelid. And this is like the Bobam pink shade. And then we're taking Cypress Umber and putting that on the very outer corner of the crease just to darken and add some dimension to the whole entire look. Blending is so important. And then I'm adding back in the Vermeer color into the inner portion of my eyelid just to add back in that light shimmer. And then going back in with Tempera on my brow bone and inner corner. Moving on to the face, I've been testing out this mini Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. Man, that's a mouthful. From First Aid Beauty, and then just using my tried and trusty Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I don't wear foundation, so I basically just wear concealer semi-like foundation. And then just blending that in. Going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I've been using this forever. It's my favorite for under my eyes, and it's just in the shade Brighter, and it's meant to kind of brighten your under eyes and conceal any under eye dark circles. And then setting under my eyes, and then sort of in my T-zone with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Loose Setting Powder, translucent. Taking a pencil brush and the shade Antique Bronze, I'm kind of dragging that under my eye. And then I took Vermeer on the inner portion of my under eye and then kind of put that into my inner corner to brighten it up even more. Taking my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Bronzer, I just bronzed my face. Do not forget to blend it down your neck. Then I went in with the Pixie Beach Rose Blush, and then the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlight Duo in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal, and I kind of mixed those both together. It's so beautiful. And then Pixie decided to make an appearance. And then I just finished off with the Florence by Mills Dark Brown Eyebrow Gel. And you can't forget about my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is the best mascara. I've tried so many times to like test a different kind, and I always come back to this one. It is the best. You need to try it if you never have before. And does anyone else make extremely weird faces when you put on mascara, or is that just me? Okay, because yeah. For the lips, I've just been wearing the Seraphine Botanicals Berry and Juice 100% Vegan Lip Gel that I got from my Ipsy bag this month. It's in the shade Rose Current. It is really, really amazing, and I've just been wearing it every single day because it's not sticky, it's really hydrating, and it's super pretty. It's like my go-to color. I really hope you enjoyed that video. I just have been super duper back in love with makeup, and I've been trying new skincare products and experimenting with different things, and this is actually a look that I personally probably would never have worn before, but I really wanted to experiment. I have been loving going back into my AnastasiaBeverlyHills palettes lately, and the whole packaging of this palette just, I think, kind of inspires me to like go for more of a pinky look when I use it. One day I just threw it on and I was like, you know what? I never would have thought that like light pink and like pink tones would have looked good on my skin. Like when I was trying to think of what kind of videos or what kind of a tutorial I should do, I thought it fit very springy, something very fun. I'm sure that you can kind of find any palette that kind of has pinky undertoned type of shades that you could use if you wanted to by chance recreate this makeup look, or you were inspired by it to create something similar. And I also really am digging like the under eye, like the waterline that I put the eyeshadow on. I've never done that before, fun fact. Just a shout out, I've been absolutely digging my Ipsy bags lately. I've been showing you guys what I get in my Ipsy bag in my vlogs, and this lip gloss is thebomb.com. I love it so much. But that was all for this video, guys. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know if you're digging makeup tutorials back on this channel. I don't know, I really miss them, and I have the time and the space and all of my equipment here in one place, as well as click that subscribe button if you'd like to stick around. I do all kinds of fun videos, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, mainly vlogging. All my social media and all that fun stuff is down below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to be a light and spread love, not hate. See you next time, guys. Woo.
You know I love you so.